Alright, ayan. Okay, hintayin lang natin si Ma'am Cooks, ha? Okay, ayan. Dali-dali taon si Ma'am. Okay, no pressure, Ma'am. Alright. Ayan, okay. Ayan, mukhang ready na si Ma'am Kuya Arvin. Guide natin si Ma'am Kuya Arvin. Okay. Now, Ma'am. Okay. Alright na, Ma'am. Doon ka kay Kuya Richie. Follow mo yung instruction ni Kuya Richie, ha? Alright. Kunwari, Ma'am, yan daw yung leaves natin. So, ay, Ma'am, ano daw? Next daw si George ngayong hapon.
Sandra.
Okay, ayan na, Ma'am. Hindi tayo mag-start pag hindi na ready si Ma'am. Okay. Relax ka lang, Ma'am, ha? Huwag kang mabigla. Okay? Alright, don't worry. At mukhang ready na si Ma'am. No, George, are you ready, boy? Kunin na natin yung leaves, boy. Alright. Ayan. Yung paper money. Siyempre. Siyempre, balik tayo sa ating nest. Si Kuya Chimar, and there we go. At Ma'am, don't you worry, Ma'am. Ibabalik po natin yung paper money. Okay? Okay. Now, George, are you ready, boy? Okay. Now, balik na natin, boy, kay Ma'am. Alright. Ito lang ako, Kuya Chimar. Okay. Okay, now, George, balik ka na yung mic kay Ma'am. Siyempre, balikin natin yung paper money. And there we go. Okay, wait lang. Ako'y, kita na gusto. Okay, wag kang makakala, Ma'am. Okay, kumuta na rin so, Ma'am. Kumayo. Alright, now, George. Okay, ayan na. Hindi na daw yung way ni George. Okay, ikaw talagang boy. Ang kulit ko talaga. And there we go. Now, George, balikan natin kay Ma'am. Ayan, now, George, balikan natin kay Jimar. And there we go. Now, Ma'am, balikan natin pabalik sa iyo po. Thank you so much for participating. Folks, before we say goodbye to George, sana po pangalagaan natin ang ating kalikasan. Okay, palakpakan po natin si George, guys. At syempre, ang kanyang boging trainer na si Kuya Jimar.